Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to withdraw from Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on a device and log in. Now select the crypto you want to withdraw and tap Send. Here, add the recipient address, the amount you want to send, and add the memo that is given with the recipient address. When you are done, tap Continue. Check the transaction details and tap Send. So that's how you withdraw from Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.